people with heart disease can end up with kidney damage. This happens through the heart-lung machines, which support patients' life in cardiac surgery. In the US, up to 30% of patients develops acute kidney injury after heart surgery. It leads to an extra 6 days in hospital stay and in-hospital cost of $1 billion per year. Why is that? The problem associated with heart-lung machines lays in suction chamber. It damages red blood cells, known as hemolysis, which releases harmful byproduct into patient's body that triggers kidney injury. There's no effective therapy. However, our team have developed a triple filter to remove those byproducts in suction chamber. Our filter has 3 features. Firstly, it's efficient. The filter uses 3 chemical binding agents to specifically target and remove those byproducts in a single process. It's compatible. The attachment of our filter in suction chamber limitedly disrupts the machine's life support performance. Lastly, it's easy to use. To deploy our filter, hospitals do not need to update existing machines. Those 3 features makes our filter an easy implementable solution. It prevents post-cardiac surgery kidney injury. Our experimental prototype have shown the reduction of injury biomarker in initial in vivo trial. We are raising 500,000 pounds to complete a larger scale in vivo trial. It will prove the safety of our new prototype designed for future clinical study. With your support, we can reduce the incidence of acute kidney injury and improve patient outcome globally. Thank you.
Great. And over to you.
Well, so I've just no knowledge. So how many of the existing filters are replaced every year, and how much do they cost in a typical?
So the market will be based on how many cardiac surgeries that need the heart-lung machines are carried out each year. So in the UK, in the US, it's above like 200,000 per year. So
what is the cost of one of those filters at the moment?
There's like currently there's no therapy to either treat the hemolysis or prevent acute kidney injury.
So there's no breakout of the cost. So they clean them, or they just replace them? Sorry, I don't understand how the current filters are renewed, because I'm imagining they need to be renewed on a particular life cycle.
Yeah, so currently there's no filter to do the same job. No.
So you can retrofit a filter into pretty much every machine.
Yeah, that's our and we're gonna cooperate with the existing heart-lung machine manufacturer to develop the partnership product to fit their device.
So the cost of the current machines with no filter, and what's your anticipated cost of goods?
That's a good question. But so far for the heart-lung machines, we don't have a clear numbers. But we know one competitor product, which is also a filter that's used in the US for the heart-lung machine to remove the inflammatory media. That costs roughly £1,000 for one surgery.
And in terms of the market that you want to go into first, if you've got clearly you're saving lots of costs and things like that. Which markets are you looking at first?
Yeah, so our primary market is definitely UK. So it have the sufficient access to the heart operation room and have prevalence of heart disease. And also they have it's a nice and concentrated market because they have 8 operation center, which is not much. So we know the customer better. And the NHS currently suffering from the financial burden. We believe the health economics our filter can bring will solve this issue.
One follow-up question: how difficult is it to actually manufacture the filter?
According to the existing things in Japan, they have like a drug which uses one of the chemical binding agents in our filter and to treat the hemolysis and prevent the kidney injury, but it's only used in Japan and the result controversial. So I believe there's an established supply chain for our material, and the design of the filter should be by our team later.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.